Hi guys, so we are now in South Dakota for Sturgis. So we rented a car out here for 2 days. Gonna be here for 2 days. And we have a Toyota Runner. 4x4 Toyota Runner. And we are in Rapid City. So, if you are gonna be here in South Dakota, you can rent Enterprise or Avis. So, usually we book our cars through Enterprise, but this time, since there's a event in Sturgis, so there's a lot of people and all the cars are fully booked, so we were not able to book it online, but we were able to get it from Avis. Hi guys! Hey guys! I don't have makeup yet, but it's okay. So we just hopped into another state and we are now in South Dakota. So I'm here again to support my partner. And we are at Sturgis. So Sturgis is a motorcycle rally. Like all of the bikers from all over the world come here every year for this event. There's a lot of things like beer, motorcycles, tattoo, blah blah blah, and whatsoever. But so it's my first time here. It's our first time. Hopefully not the last. So yun lang. Outfit check tayo mamaya. Butchiwaliwaw. Kasi maputik or dito, parang dusty. So weather is good. It's not that hot, not like in Texas that when you go out like para kang vampira naman. Look at the bike. So cool. Oops. I'll show you one more. I'll show you more later. There's a lot of motorcycles parked already outside. So there's a very cute mountain. We'll have a photo up there later for the thumbnail. Okay, so we'll go to Love na. We'll get his bike and we'll go around. Check us out. Hey guys, here I feel like it's going to rain. So guys, aaral muna ako dito ha, pang thumbnail ko lang. Okay, in 3, 2, 1 kaboosh, back, ganun. Okay, sige. 1, 2, 3. Oh, hindi pa tapos si bakla. Millennial pose, peace sign. So guys, dito pakita ko lang yung view and then naglakad na ako papunta kay Lovey. Yung Sturgis guys, meron pala silang malaking map for all the events that's happening for the whole 2 weeks. Medyo maaga pa to dito guys, pero marami nang nakapark, marami nang lumalabas na mga motorcyclists to watch events, to have a beer, to get some accessories, and then tattoos and whatnot. I really think it's going to rain, guys. It's a little dark here na on this side. Still good. At least it's not hot. Woo. Cool stuff. See that? So there's a map for this, guys, for the whole 2-week event. So lahat ng mga shows, concerts, mga rally events, and it's very organized kasi meron talaga silang designated area kung saan yung mga RV cars, yung mga accessories na nagbebenta, kung saan yung mga merchandise na nagbebenta. Everything is very organized. Someday, guys, someday when I know how to ride a bike na, I will ride with my love side by side. So here, guys, makikita nyo ang old Chevy na truck or pickup truck. It's so cool, so cute. I want to have one. Char. Magiging car collector na kuno. Got the Harley dealership here. Sa part na to, hinihingal na ako kasi medyo malayo na talaga yung linakaran ko, day. But here, nag-rent kami ng motorcycle ni Lovey para makaikot-ikot kami sa mga saloon, sa mga events, and Chorva Bells. Okay, medyo malayo-malayo pa to pero carry lang. So, nakita niyo yung blue tsaka red na Harley Davidson, guys. Yan yung mga bagong trike nila ngayon. Gusto kong bumili niyan para makapag-ride ako kay Lovey kasi hindi ako marunong mag-balance. So, support tayo sa mga partners natin, guys, no? Kahit ano pa yung mga activity na gusto nila. Tignan nyo ako. Sa sobrang bilis ng takbo ni Lovey dito. Ang pangit ko. Tignan ni Day. Sa main road kasi kami nito. So, ang bilis. Tapos ang hangin pa. And hindi kami naka full face kasi walang full face na rental na helmet. Day. Diyos ko, Lord. Patulo na yung laway ko dito, guys. As in, ayoko talaga. Ang pangit ko. Dito, mahina na yung takbo namin, guys. Kasi, na pinadaan kami ni Google Maps sa country road. So, mabato siya. So, dahan-dahan lang yung takbo ni Lovey. Medyo natakot ako dito, guys. Kasi, bundok na siya. And then, wala masyadong tao. Natatakot ako na baka tumirik yung motorcycle. And yung setting kasi niya parang Texas Chainsaw Massacre yung dating day. May nadaanan din kaming isang field na maraming sunflower but hindi na ako bumaba kasi naka-fence siya. And if ever magpa-picture ako doon, baka i-shotgun ako ng day, may-ari ng lupa, wala na, maging kwento pa ako. Isuslow mo ko na lang ng konti para ma-appreciate nyo din. Tingnan nyo, sinong hindi matatakot dito? Walang kahit walang kahit mga ilaw, walang poste, walang mga camera. Dahil kung anuhun ka dito, dahil wala ko, stop ka ng mga Dahil scaredy cat. Sa wakas, nasa Sturgis main proper na kami. So, mga 20 minutes din yung mga linakbay namin dahil of nothing but land and bukid. So, nasa main proper na kami. Dito na yung mga ibang bikers. So, dito may mga lahat, merong maraming stores, restaurants, nagbibenta ng merchandise, accessories, kahit ano-ano. Basta regarding motorcycles, makikita mo lahat dito. I know, guys, I've learned my lesson. Next time na magvo-vlog ako, I will be using my microphone all the time to talk to you. Kasi ang hirap pala talaga pag nagvo-voice record and nag-e-edit. Ang hirap, especially when you're new to vlogging and hindi ka pa masyadong sanay sa mga ganito. Pasensyahan nyo na guys. I'm still learning. Na-realize ko lang kasi kapag nag-i-edit ako and pinapakinggan ko yung boses ko sa record, ang flat ng ano ko, ng voiceovers ko, nagiging pangit yung resulta ng video kasi parang ang dull ng mga voice records ko, hindi in the moment. Nagbuboses ba din ako sa mga voice records ko? Yun yung feeling ko ha, ewan ko lang sa tingin nyo. I promise you guys, I'll do a lot better next time and I'll be more natural so that I can make you more happy. Dito may mga Sturgis merchandise kung saan kayo makakabili ng mga souvenirs, mga lahat-lahat. Naglakad-lakad lang kami dito, namili ng mga pasalubong, ng mga bike parts and accessories kasi may mga nagpapasabay sa Pilipinas. So, we will also ship it via LBC din. Nag-drive din kami papuntang Stonehouse Saloon. So, dito kasi andito yung Veterans or Military Memorial and Heroes Foundation. So, may gaganapin na military appreciation for the US military. So, gusto pumunta ni Lovey. Most of the people who came here in this military appreciation are mostly military, like retired military or veterans. So, kita nyo guys, marami ng tao na nasa labas, nagpa-park, nagiinuman na, may mga ganapan na dito. Hindi lang kami masyadong nagtagal dito guys, kasi nagde-drive ng motorcycle si Lovey, and then ayaw namin uminom, tsaka malasing. Baka hindi kami makauwi, hindi pa naman ako marunong mag-drive ng motorcycle. So, dito mga 8 p.m. na to, we already returned yung bike rental namin ni Lovey kasi hindi na namin siya kayang iuwi bukas ng umaga since medyo malayo siya and wala masyadong Uber dito and Grab. So, nireturn na lang namin para bukas mapupuntahan na namin yung mga tourist spots na gusto namin puntahan dito sa South Dakota. So, after this, nag-dinner lang kami. May kikitain kaming friend from the Philippines, which is Sir Ato. Ang dami talagang tao na pumunta dito, guys. Imagine for the 2-week event, it's almost 500,000 bikers yung pumunta in Rapid City. Nung pumunta kami, ang dami-dami ng tao ha. Imagine day 2 pa lang yan ng motorcycle rally. How much more kung nagstay kami like until the very end. Sobrang crowded siguro. Maloloka ako. So we already head to the restaurant to have dinner with Sir Ato. Medyo pricey dito guys, pero masarap siya. And dito niyo din may experience yung magbabayad kayo ng shot tapos sasampalin kayo ng waitress. Pero hindi ko siya tinry dahil ayoko maano yung beautiful face ko. Hindi na ako nakapag-video ng matagal dito kasi nalubat na yung camera ko guys. So that's it for today. See you on my next vlog. Bye!